Hey friends, it's August and I have something really special that I put together for you for my new members who grab a premium starter kit in the month of August. I've created something really special and I'm really excited to share it with you, so check it out. Hi friends, I am so excited to share with you for the month of August my welcome kit package that I am going to send you when you get your premium starter kit with me. You are going to get, oh my gosh, I love these roller bottles with these adorable labels on them, a couple different styles, and I love this YL branded 5 ml roll. They came out with these at convention, and so you're going to get one of those too. I think it's important for you to have recipes when you get started to know how to use your oils. So these are all recipes for directly from the kit. So you can make your roller bottles. You can start knowing how to put which oils to put in your diffuser. So you're going to get recipes right off the bat from me. You're also going to get this great empty bottle to make your own glow serum. So you're going to put your frankincense and your lavender in here, and then you're going to fill it with a carrier oil, which I'm going to give you a bottle of organic jojoba oil to put in there. You can also add some vitamin E or some other skin oils if you have them. I'm also going to send you this great eyelash serum. So kind of a little DIY package, right? So this has castor oil and cedarwood in it already. Then you're going to add your lavender from your kit when you get it. I'm also going to send you a glass bottle for your Thieves Cleaner and a packet of Thieves Cleaner. So this makes 2 bottles of this. You're going to divide this in half and then fill the rest up with water. And there you go, that's easy, easy. I'm also gonna send you a little recipe card with some other uses for the Thieves Cleaner. So you're gonna have that to start with as well. I love these recipe cards. These welcome cards are so great for you to have for reference. When you sign up, you're gonna have an account so that you can order whenever you want to. This is great to just keep track of your login information. This has your starter kit oils, just kind of a quick reference as to what to use them for, a few tips on what to use different things for. Here's your glow serum recipe, just a few different things. This wellness tea is fabulous. It's really important for you to know how to use your oils. Again, your Thieves Cleaner, some information on our Essential Rewards program, which is fabulous. Vitality recipes, so the white labeled oils are okay to take internally. So here's a few suggestions on how to get started with that. Some safety and usage information and your dilution ratios. So these all come in August welcome kit, you guys. Oh my goodness, so excited for this. And you know, I always throw in a few little extras too. So a little refresher on what is the premium starter kit. It comes with 12 oils. Can't forget your Stress Away and your Valor come with this also now. Love that. You're gonna get 2 of these roller fitments, which in addition to making your roller bottles, go on top of your essential oils. So when you have one of these that's empty, you can make a little blend, or for this one, I love to pop it on the top of Stress Away and then just roll it right on, because Stress Away is a vacay in the bottle for those days where you just need to take the stress away, right? You're going to get 2 packets of our Ningxia Red, which is our antioxidant whole body wellness drink. You take an ounce a day, and I promised you in about a week you're going to feel amazing. You're going to get a hand sanitizer and a Thieves spray, which are great for on-the-go cleaning, and especially nowadays, we definitely need to keep ourselves healthy and well, so that's great. You're also going to get your choice of a diffuser. We have several different choices of diffuser, but this is the Desert Mist. I love this one. It is so versatile. It is so pretty. It goes with a bunch of different decor. I love this candle flicker mode. Always just makes a beautiful setting inside the living room. I keep this one in the living room, but you can put it anywhere. If you change the color setting, it'll cycle through all the different colors, which is really nice just to add like a little ambiance to the room. Or if you want a particular color, you just cycle through them. And it goes off as well. So that is the premium starter kit, you guys, with essential oils. I also send this for the Thieves kit, the CBD kit. If you want to do a welcome home kit with the Luster diffuser, we can do that as well, the Ningxia Red kit. But welcome you guys to Young Living and Wellness to Thrive. So excited to have you join our community and get your wellness up for the rest of this year.